Hey, we're back. We are doing our second broker open house here at 19773 Kershaw Court in Monument, Colorado in the Kings Deer neighborhood. We've got coffee, we've got donuts. We're letting people come through, take a look if they've got clients looking in the area. One of the things I want to point out is we've got this awesome downstairs. You've got the pool table area. The pool table could be included in the sale. And then come check this out. We've got this dedicated theater room with stadium style seating. The seating is included, the projector's included, all of the audio visual equipment is included. The other thing I want to point out is this sweet backyard. So when you come out the walkout basement, you've got a hot tub, which is included in the sale as well. And then you've got just this incredibly peaceful, serene backyard. The house sits on 2.5 acres. So your lot goes way back this way. No one's going to build back here. It's just incredibly quiet, incredibly peaceful. And then you're just a handful of steps away from the 16th hole at Kings Deer golf course. So again, if you're a broker, if you got people looking in northern El Paso County, we've got the doors open today. You're free to come take a look around, maybe do a preview for some clients that you've got. And really, you just got to let them know that there is nothing better to look at in the morning when you're having your coffee from the living room than that. You know, the camera of the phone doesn't do it justice. It's an unreal view. This is why you live in Colorado. This is what people look for when they're home shopping, being able to see that mountain every day. It's a gorgeous view, gorgeous home. Come on down, take a look, and let me know what you think. Thanks.